Hello students, we are going to discuss chapter number 5 for class 7th, that is agreement of subject and verb. Now look at this example. Vali likes to build robots as a hobby. Singular subject in this sentence is Vali and singular verb is likes. Therefore, there is the agreement of subject and verb in a sentence. So let's get to better understand this. For a sentence to be grammatically correct, the main verb should agree with the subject in person and number. When the subject is singular in a sentence, the verb should be singular. But when the subject is plural in the sentence, the verb is also plural. The verb also takes different forms depending on whether the noun is in first, second, or third person. This is called the agreement of the subject and verb. Student, let's understand the rules. Some rules for agreement of subject and verb. Rule 1 says two or more subjects joined by the word and take a plural verb. For example, Sunil, Renu, Medha, and I are good friends. Rule 2 says collective noun when thought of a single unit. Take singular verb. Collective noun when thought of a single unit will be taking the singular verb followed by of plus noun or simply a single word. For example, a team of expert lawyers. A team is a collective noun considered as one unit, right? But here the singular verb should be also there. Lawyers is investigating the case. Rule 3 says subjects that have phrase a pair of takes singular verb as well, as pair refers to one thing. For example, a pair of shoes or a pair of jeans is all that he bought. Rule 4 says two singular nouns joined by the words like or, either or, and neither nor take a singular verb. For example, Mary or John is going to escort the chief guest. Rule 5 says indefinite pronouns such as much, many, anything, nothing, everything, or etc. There are many more words. Take a singular verb. For example, everything is very expensive these days. So everything here is indefinite pronoun. The rule 6 says distances, periods of time, and sums of money considered as single unit, then take singular verb. If they are considered as single unit, so they are going to take the singular form of the verb. For example, 10 miles is a long distance to walk. Rule 7 says words that indicate quantity like all, none, some, most, more, plenty, etc. take a singular verb when the subject is singular and the plural verb when the subject is plural. For example, some of the cake is in the fridge. Then we have rule 8. Titles of books always take a singular verb even if the name has plural nouns. For example, A Tale of Two Cities is a popular novel of Charles Dickens. Now look at the exercise. Rewrite the sentences after correcting the errors. Professor Jaya Shekhar and Professor Maya Patkar is doing a combined project. So the answer will be Professor Jaya Shekhar and Professor Maya Patkar are doing a combined project. That means we have to search the errors and we have to correct them by rewriting the sentence again. These all points you have to do like this. The another exercise is also just like same as the above discussed. Identify the errors in the sentences and rewrite them correctly. Many a student have had a hard time with mathematics. Many a student has had a hard time with mathematics. You have to do similarly by correcting the errors. You have to identify it and then write it them. The next exercise says fill in the blanks with the correct options. The options are given in the bracket. You will just have to write them correctly. Each of the boys dash is or are correct. Each of the boys is correct. The another one is also the same. None of the books dash is or are available. None of the books is available. Similarly, like this, you have to do this exercise also. So students, we have discussed the chapter. Hope you have understood this. Thank you, students.